My name is Chirag. I'm from Drone Expo.
Hi,
Okay,
Ujjwal.
hi. Nice to meet you. So I wanted to ask you a few questions related to the exhibition and the products that you're featuring this year.
Sure.
Okay. So can we start? Can you give me a brief about yourself and your company?
Yeah. So Gopalan Aerospace is a complete subsidiary of Gopalan Enterprises,
Okay.
which is a 3-decade-year-old company based in Bangalore.
Okay.
So they are basically into real estate, schools, colleges, farming. And Gopalan Aerospace has been started in the year 2018, where it's been 5 years, and we have 5 different verticals, being precision machining, the CNC machining, then the heavy engineering, where most of the R&D related works for our company to the DRDO and ISROs takes place, like the G simulators, the motion platforms, static chambers, hydrostatic chambers, and all that. Then we are also into aerostructures or the sheet metals. This is where we deal mostly with the exports. So we export sheet metal cabinets to aerospace and medical applications to the abroad. And then we are also into composite manufacturing, where we deal with glass fiber and composite fiber and even Kevlar if required. And UAVs and drones is relatively something new we have started. It's been 6 months that we have started UAVs and drones. So this is one of our products you can see. And our drone is a complete make in India drone. It's not anything is not from an I mean there are certain things, but other than that, it's a complete transfer of technology from National Aeronautical Laboratory. So this has already been tested in the ranges like Ladakh and other places. So it's already been tested, and it is completely customizable. So it is not only agriculture, you can remove the payload, you can fit other payloads like fire extinguishing, logistics, surveillance,
So
many
it's a
things.
multi-purpose drone.
It's a multi-purpose drone. Good. And we have 3 variants as of now, the Quad, Hexa and the Octa, with different payload capacities. So the Hexa being of 10 kgs and the Octa being of 20 kg payload. So this is a brief of our company.
And the products that all that product you are featuring.
Yeah.
Okay. And you have also all about all the products that is available in your company, right?
Yeah, so basically coming to composites, so we also have all the features required for the composite manufacturing, that is the autoclave, the cream room facility, and the wet layup process area, everything. And all the verticals what I mentioned has dedicated hangars and dedicated quality control rooms, which is very few places you find to see. And our director's vision is to be a one-stop shop for the entire aerospace and defense sectors, wherein the heavy engineering aspects, it complements the composites, because to manufacture composites you require metallic molds. So when a composite manufacturer who is outside, they will only get it done from outsourcing, or the customer himself has to provide the mold. But whereas within ourselves we can design and develop our own molds. Then the composite manufacturing in turn helps with the drone manufacturing as well. So these are some things which complements each other, and we are ready to be a one-stop shop for any aerospace and defense applications.
That's really good to hear. You have a bunch of products with you.
Yes.
Okay, let's come to the exhibition. How was the footfall? How was the visitor this year? What did you experience?
I'm from Bangalore, so compared to there, it is a bit humid over here, definitely. And food. I've always liked street food, and that's something I love about Mumbai. The street food are really good. And then coming to the exhibition, this is a really good exhibition, and especially for us to come into the commercial side. So because mainly we deal with the defense aspect. So coming to the commercial side, I think this exhibition is a really good platform for us to explore more things, and also because we are a complete product manufacturer. So there are multiple people who are service providers, and I think we also get a chance to meet some indigenized service providers, because when it comes to drones, most of the products are electronic parts are imported and all that. So I think we also have a good platform where we can explore our own Indian companies who are into the similar fields.
Great. And our next show is happening in Delhi. What's your plan for the next year?
So next year we are definitely going to be there. I think going to be there with a much bigger stall, because our all other 3 copters will also be ready by
Because
then.
that's what I'm seeing. You have a bunch of products, and
Yes.
I hope next year you put a lot of products over there.
Yes. Definitely we'll be there with a much bigger stall. You can definitely expect from us.
It's really great to hear, and thank you for your valuable time. It was a pleasure
Thank you
meeting
very much.
Thank you.
The pleasure is ours.